Hi Chloe, it's Stephanie here, your Design Technology Food teacher at the DECV. Just thought I'd do a quick video to highlight the main tasks that I will like you to focus on from now towards the end of the semester, as we are coming towards the end of the term, so completing the final tasks in order to help you achieve a progression point and help demonstrate your knowledge and understanding and application of the design process will be awesome, so I can give you that awesome progression point. So the task that I'd like you to focus on is in Module G, Week 4. Now, I did an online lesson that unfortunately you didn't attend, but I do encourage you to view the online lesson recording link from Module G, Week 3 and 4, where we looked at protein, both animal and plant-based protein products and food sources. So if you can click on this link and watch the recording, that will be awesome. And then from there, if you could complete the healthy burger production, that will be awesome. Now, if you are a vegetarian, I'm happy to provide you with an alternative recipe, but essentially it's going through the design process. So here's a little bit more information about animal or proteins and the nutrients that they provide the body. And here is our design brief for the week. So your task is to design your own healthy burger, or mini burgers as they're called, sliders, and you are to include at least 3 fillings in your burger. Okay, so here's a sample recipe. Please be sure to complete these template documents, which highlights each of the stages in the design process. So we start off with the generating, so try and do a brainstorm of 3 different possible filling options that you can include in your burger. So it could be lettuce, tomato, onion, or it could be cheese, bacon, and lettuce, for example. So list 3 different filling varieties. You then need to sketch what you think or what you want your burgers to look like. So 3 different options, then choose one that you think best meets the brief. Be sure to complete your production planner, so listing the steps in the recipe. So it might be gathering all your ingredients together, might be the first step. The next step might be dicing your onion or your garlic, or chopping up your garlic. Then identify the equipment that you need for that specific step in the recipe, and then highlight in the last column the safety considerations. So what do you need to consider when you're completing that step? Do you need to place a damp cloth underneath your chopping board to prevent it from moving while you're using it? Do you need to keep your fingers away from the blade while you're using the knife to dice or chop your ingredients? So those sorts of things. So the things that you need to consider in order to prevent a hazard from occurring. Be sure to take photos of the main stages in your production. So it might be combining your minced ingredients together, it might be frying off your meat patties, or and like bringing everything together and your final plating of your dish. Don't forget to also conclude with the evaluation, so answering these evaluation questions in relation to the burger that you produced. And that will be it. Once you've done that, also don't forget to do the sensory evaluation, so describing the appearance, taste, texture and aroma of the burger. Once you've done that, you can upload it into your submission by clicking on here and setting that through. That's the main task that I want you to do. I then encourage you to move on to completing the Module H Week 4 course evaluations. That's you completing this survey to give me a quick overview of what you thought of the subject. So clicking on this arrow here and completing the online quiz or online survey. If you have time and you've done your work in your other subjects, feel free to choose any week in Module H that you find fun and interesting. So Module H Week 1, we look at making healthy version of party food, which is an example of sausage rolls, where we include vegetables in the mixture. Week 2 is looking at designing your own cupcakes. Week 3 was an optional task where we look at making chocolate chip cookies, but you don't need to do that week, it's optional. Anyway, so the main thing that I want you to do as part of your modified program between now and the end of the term is Module G, Week 4, practical production of your healthy burgers. Complete the online survey in Module H, Week 4, and then if there's time, complete 1 week of any week within Module H. Okay, Chloe, bye for now. Let me know if you have any questions too.